We look forward to moments together, stories to tell, and smiles to share. New emotions to enjoy and experience. For now, all we can do is just imagine them, just dream about our wonderful trips waiting for us. Right now is the time to be cautious, to take care, and to stay at home. So that one day, very soon, we can be on the road together again, seeking new adventures. All the places you'd like to visit aren't going anywhere. It's just a matter of time. The world around us is changing, but our desires remain the same. The desires to travel and have new experiences, to enjoy conversations, food, people, life, Ukraine.